Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Motorola Moto Edge 30 Ultra Google Play Store. So now let's open our Google Play Store. Here trying to find Call of Duty, but there's no real game that we want to download, so go back. To fix this, click on your profile picture, then move to the settings, reveal the family, parental controls, and here either disable parental controls or move to apps and games, enter your PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the setting afterwards, and now if you go back and try to download this game, it's right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.